Okay, welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're really digging into just one source, an excerpt about a specific watch, the Casio MTP1302D-2AVT. And our goal here is pretty simple. Figure out why this particular model gets called out as a, quote, timeless, affordable watch. What makes it special,
Yeah.
especially if you're maybe new to watches.
Well, it's interesting because the source does give a nod to other popular Casio lines, like their vintage collection and Baby G.
Right, the classic.
Exactly. But the write-up itself, and so our focus today really zooms in on this specific analog model. It kind of shows how one piece, if it's the right piece, can offer a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. The source points right to the deep blue version, says it's classic, versatile. It mentions there are other colorways, just different colors, basically, and similar mid-size watches, too. But this blue one, it's described as just a great do-it-all, no-fuss watch. So what does that actually mean for someone looking, maybe for a mid-size watch or just starting out?
Well, I think it boils down to practicality and sort of enduring style. Like, take the fluted bezel, that ridged ring around the face.
Oh, yeah, I know the one.
That's a design detail you often find on much pricier watches, iconic ones even. So it gives this Casio like an instant touch of classic elegance, you could say.
Okay.
And it's just time and date. Simple. It does its main job really well, super clear to read, no extra dials, cluttering things up.
And that practicality really comes through with the specs too, right? It mentions 50-meter water resistance. For you, that basically means, washing your hands, getting caught in the rain, maybe even a quick swim. It should be fine. No need to panic.
Definitely peace of mind for daily wear.
And crucially, it's quartz, so it runs on a battery. It's not one you have to remember to wind every day.
That set it and forget it appeal.
Exactly, which is fantastic if you just want something reliable. And the kicker, according to the source, it's under $80.
Right. And that really prompts the question, especially if you're new to this. What do you get for under 80 bucks? The source argues you're getting quite a bit here. An analog watch hands and a dial, not digital, that looks classic, feels versatile, and that nice deep blue, and it's a comfortable midsize.
So it really lives up to that great do-it-all, no-fuss description.
I think so. You've got the style from the bezel, clarity from the simple dial, durability from the water resistance, and then the hassle-free quartz movement. It all just works.
So for you listening, what this means is the Casio MTP1302D-2AVT is being positioned as, well, a really smart choice. Could be a great first watch, or just a reliable everyday option that looks good without trying too hard. It shows you don't always have to spend a ton for good design and function.
Precisely. That under $80 price point makes it incredibly accessible, especially if you're just dipping your toes in or maybe trying out that mid-size fit. It's a great example of finding real value and versatility beyond just, the big brand names or high price tags. And like the source hints, maybe getting a watch like this makes you curious about what else Casio offers, like their vintage stuff or the Baby G line. It keeps the discovery going.
Yeah, definitely. Which leaves us with a thought maybe for you to mull over. If a watch that costs less than $80 can genuinely be called timeless and do it all, well, what does that suggest about where real value might be found? It's maybe not always about the price tag, is it? Something to consider.